Yeah, man. Just hang on. Coming in a second. Final preparations for landing. Almost ready, guys. Yeah, man. What is going on, guys? Let me hit this thing. We'll come here. No, we actually... Oh, I don't have music on that scene. That's the thing. We're live, baby. I'm watching the game. I have to set one thing right here. There we go. Okay, there we go. This is Gregory Oparin versus Hans Niemann. U.S. Chess Championship is going on as we speak, folks. Ooh, that pin comment needs to go away, too. We can do that. Oh, I can just delete it. Delete it. There we go. All right. How you guys doing, man? What a great weekend. Man, it feels good to be live again. I freaking missed you guys, man. I had a freaking great... Dude, it was... it was a very, very, really cool weekend, man. Friday night, I posted a picture of that guy, Bubba. We went out to see a band. Pretty popular in Austin. This band's probably been together for 30 years or longer. People's Choice. They're a cover band, and they're just like one of the premier cover bands. Probably not even the same original players in the band. But they were good. The guy sang so good. That was the biggest thing. Crazy thing. I saw a guy that sang really good country music. Hey, Sean, big screen. How you doing, brother? That was Friday. Saw an old friend, man. I used to see at my Pooties gig on my Tuesdays. I used to do, no, I wasn't open mic. Open mics at Brass Hall on Tuesdays now. It was, Sean, Steve Robbins comes in with the 20. Steve, thank you, dude. David Bassett, how you doing, man? Dude, Hans has this really weird position, man. I'm just not a 1,000,000% sure. Let's see. Wait, we can see this right. There we go. Steve, thank you for the stars, dude. Thank you for the love. Kicking the stars off for the day. What's going on with for you, David?
Steve sent 20 stars. Good luck, 4-leaf clover.
Thank you. Hans drew Wesley yesterday, which is... I mean, Hans is supposed to not lose to Wesley. With black, though. At least in Hans's mind. Oparin he's playing right now is 2661. He's one of the lower-rated players in the tournament. Oparin, I remember him because I saw him... in St. Louis, and I'm like, that guy's a grandmaster. just because of the way he was interacting with everybody. But I didn't even know who he was the first time I saw him, guys. First time I saw Oparin. As a matter of fact, I played him in the same tournament I played Nemo. It was like some chess 960 qualifier. Remember that? So he's low rated at 2661. He lost his first game. Hans drew with black against Wesley, which is a fine result. David says just spent 4 days at the Disney Hotel. Glad to be home. Oh man, I bet that was a blast. Oh man, guys. Yeah. With family, with that little baby. That's a lot of you had a lot of fun this weekend. Sensory overload. Disneyland, guys. You guys been to Disneyland? So much stuff going on. Then when you got a little one there, a grandkid that like is doing this, and you can see their face. You can see them smile. You can see them have fun. Right? Tire them out, walking them around. It's a lot of carrying, a lot of stroller. Good times, dude. I'm glad, man. I'm glad you're home. And I'm glad you went and did that. I'm not even gonna ask if you had a good time. I already know what that was. Billy Mullenix, how you doing? So, guys, this position is kind of weird. You got to kind of see what happens here. This is the Nimzo Indian defense. I like to play the anti-Nimzo. But I believe it was talking about this exact thing. I was talking to David. Remember what you told me, David? You probably don't, but I do. But you said, like, something about you got to be able to, you got to beat the prepared lines. Like, don't just play the second best move. What does Stockfish want here? It wants knight f3 anyway. But queen c2 is, I think, the old move, and a3 is the old move, right? Nimzo. And wait, no. This is when they play e6. You play it here. You play knight f3. Then they don't get the pin. That's what it was. In this position, yeah, it still likes knight f3. Stockfish does. But I was playing knight f3 just not to give them what they want. And David brought up the point that, hey man, it's okay to play the main line and give them what they want. You got to beat them anyway. Dang you, changed Twitch. I can't comment or speak there anymore. Oh, the settings are off then. Thank you. The settings are off on Twitch. Yeah. Dude, you are a lifesaver. Sub-only chat. There you go. You can now comment on Twitch. Sorry, Twitch. We did a chess workshop on Saturday at 3 p.m. It was well attended. Dude, I learned some killer... Oh, my God. I want to show you guys what I learned. Oh, I can't remember the game, though. I learned one huge thing from the workshop, from one of the viewers' games. Guys, you study chess, even if you're helping someone lower rated than you can learn a ton. You know my old line, I say it all the time. Oh man, all you guys coming in, look at this DXA. Hello, Peyton. Southwest Kid, what's up, brother? 67 is tough, bro. What are you talking about? Did I say something? 67? Are you talking about my age? I'm not, dude, I'm not almost there yet, but give me a minute, okay? Don't blink. Yeah. So anyway, this is a Nimzo Indian, and what? Okay, so Hans plays the old move, Queen C2. No, Hans is playing black. Apparently plays the old move. I say the old move. This is, I think, called a classical variation. Believe it or not, guys. I think this is called a classical variation. Nimzo Indian's defense. Nimzo Indian defense classical variation. Because you can do something just like, you can just develop. E3 is a cool move, but he has the option of doubling your pawns. But whereas you play queen, if he takes, you take with the queen. And you don't double your pawns. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what they did. Okay. Yeah, now you put this is called putting a question to the bishop. What are you going to do? No, it's Stephen Baird. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me, man. Everything's good over here, man. My weekend. So Friday night, People's Choice. Saturday, chess workshop. Wait, no, Saturday was People's Choice. So what do we do Friday night? Friday night, Magic Sam Massey of the Smokehouse Guitar Army. The guy that gave me these guitars you see are cut. 2 out of 3 guitars are hanging on this wall. The one right behind me, this one here, that was my birthday gift right here, man. How many years ago did you give me that guitar? I don't remember. I just know that. Oh wait, we got to go back here. WatchChess.com. I got to make a new button for that. Vertical scene. WatchChess.com. Friday night we went to a local pub to see Magic Sam Massey of the Smokehouse Guitar Army and Jason Crisp. These guys are just top-notch blues musicians, man. The band sounded so good. My good friend John was playing drums. He was kicking butt. It was a great band. We did that Friday night, live music. It was freaking awesome. Saturday, chess workshop, and we went and saw that band, People's Choice. Ran into an old friend, and we went and hung out with our friends. That was freaking awesome. Sunday, I spent Sunday in Lukenbach, Texas. There is a real... Hey, Courtney. Thanks for the like. All these likes on Facebook, man. Courtney Reed, Billy Mullenix, Warren Rhodes, Dave Center, William Hunt with the like, and the share, Steve Robinson with the 20 stars, Sean Big Screen Barnhart, the first reaction of the stream if you're watching on Facebook. Guys, you know how to do it, right? Let's get that algorithm going. Try to buy subs, and it's not working. Oh, is it really, Billy? Yeah, that... Love you too, Courtney. I love you too. Basil update. I almost called you because I went and looked at Basil today, my basil plant, and he didn't look good. He's not going away, guys. He's not going away. But there was like a leaf on him that didn't look too good, and I went to cut it off, and it fell off. What? And you know how my basil plant can be real kind of stiff and kind of perky. And when I went to kind of give him a little feel, he seemed kind of soft. Yeah, we ain't got room for that here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. No softness, folks. So I did what every good basil owner would do. I talked to my basil and told him everything's going to be okay. We took him outside and put him in the direct sunlight, folks, for the photosynthesis from the chlorophyll or form or whatever it's called. And then I filled him up with water. Oh, he has way too much water. I pulled the water all the way to the top of the thing. It's going to soak all the dirt all the way down to soil, guys. Don't say dirt, it's soil. It's going to soak the soil, and then the sun is going to give him plenty of sunshine, which is good for plants, right? We learned that a long time ago. And then it's also going to dry the dirt on the top. That way the little bugs that eat him can't lay eggs there. Because they like, yeah, he's going to be fine. He's going to perk right back up. I made an awesome freaking breakfast. Okay, so this couple of eggs, guys, but I prepped, man. I cut up tomato, I cut up onion, I cut up bell pepper, and I cut up about a quarter of a pretty good size jalapeno. And stuck it in there, did the no salt, everything else you can do, onion powder, garlic powder, freaking, I say no salt. I put a little bit of Mrs. Dash, but it's 60% less salt, and I just put a little bit, add a little flavor. Regular pepper, and I put some red pepper in there too. What do you call it? Sauteed it around in the olive oil, guys. Then I dropped a couple scrambled eggs in there. Ate like a king. I also ordered some really cool condiments, some salt-free condiments that are coming. That was $35, but they were so pretty. There's 3 of them. One of them's a hot sauce, one of them's like a steak sauce, and one of them is like a barbecue sauce. What? Yeah. Guys, that is so exciting. Because, yeah. So the weekend was great. Guys, my birthday is this weekend. When's my birthday, Courtney? Is it Saturday? What, today's Monday, the 13th, right? 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. Saturday night, I think, is my birthday, guys. Yeah, so we're definitely going to have to do a stream. We're definitely have to do a birthday stream in the day. David Betts says top of the hour prop bet. I think you're saying 4-5 games. Oh, at 4 o'clock, top of the hour. You just said that. I thought you were meaning top of the stream. Let's say at 4 o'clock, guys, we're going to play 5 games of 1 minute from the pool. I will get $10 for every win and a $10 bonus for each checkmate by you. Pin it. You can't pin it, David. Pinning it. Waiting for it. Did it pin? Oh, yeah, it's pinned. It's pinned. Okay, good. Got you. Thank you, David. At 4 p.m., guys. 5 games, 10 and 10. Got it. I can remember that. I might do some dirty flagging here, and maybe we'll jump over to Lee Chess for a few minutes and play some 1-minute chess to prep. You know what I'm saying? If I get maybe 20 minutes of 1 minute in on Lee Chess, come over to chess.com. Lee Chess is easier than chess.com, but I'll still be playing 1 minute. I haven't played 1 minute since, I don't know, Thursday, Wednesday. And those challenges are scary to just walk right in. These guys are sitting here for 3 hours playing 1 minute chess. They play every day. They're 1 minute players, most of them. I usually only do it for the challenges. So we are definitely 1,000,000% going to do that at 4 p.m. I'm going to set an alarm too. I'm going to set an alarm. Alarm, set alarm. Guys, I have to get a Siri, man. I got to get a Siri. 4 p.m. every day. So now tomorrow this will go off at 4 p.m. I'll be all, what is that? I'll be all, oh, PD Master David Bassett gave me a challenge. David, thank you so much for that. That's something to look forward to. Back to chess, guys. I'm all over the place. Takes with a pawn anyway. Okay. Is this main line? Guys, I don't know. I don't know what the most common move there is. Do I need to know? I don't think I even need to know. Because, yeah, Courtney just said, yeah, he needs to be outside for a little while with water. Absolutely, Courtney. That's all he needs. Openings. Queen C3. 9,000 games with Queen C3. 25 games with BC3. This might be smart by Oparin. Because, excuse me, I have water. Drink it. Because it's rare. It's rare. Let's see what Stockfish says. And Stockfish says Queen C3 and it's plus 0.15. BC3 and black is equalized slightly better. Not much. But if anyone's better, black is. And Oparin says, I'm doing this. Now, Hans is probably deeper opening stuff, principles and ideas that might all be at a higher level, maybe than Oparin, because he's rated 80 points higher, whatever it is. Some of that's out of the window now. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if Oparin played this this clearly second best move. D5. C5. Does Stockfish like it? C5. Stockfish loves it. Truckers love them, folks. Stockfish loves it. And we play knight C6. We are looking from the side of Hans Niemann, guys. The side of Hans Niemann. These guys just play Stockfish moves, man. Look at this. Look at this triple stack, but a funny thing happens, guys, here. Watch. Now, look at this position. Hans has the classic, this is what you call a classical center. If you can have two pawns sitting here, that's good. He also occupies 2 squares in the center. He controls a square in the center with pawns and actually a knight. So Hans controls this square, and Oparin does not. Hans has better central control. In addition to the pawn stacking, the undesirable pawn stacking, and 1, 2, 3 pawn islands, guys, versus 2. Is he down? Well, he's down a pawn though, right? Yeah, Hans is down a pawn, and I think he loses another one here too. Rook over is dumb. D4, dude. Gut him. Rip it open. Clearly the best move. Because you're threatening this, and now the pawns are going to look even worse. Right? If he takes. If he plays e4, what does he play? And then he just has to run for his life. Oh, but it's pinned. Okay. That's still the better line, but Hans brings the rook. Guys, Branson, how you doing? Can we fault him for developing a rook? What FIDE Master David Bassett is in chat right now, and he told us you're not done developing till you develop your rooks. And we had a prime example in the workshop of one of our great chillers and supporters of the stream who made the mistake of developing pawns and not pieces. And that is such a great line that FIDE Master David Bassett told us. He said, develop pieces, not pawns. Like so many people, they don't know what to do here, and they go like, I'll do this because I see grandmasters do it. It's even funnier right here. This is like I don't know, doesn't look right. But you're wasting a move. Bring a piece, make the piece look at its king. You kind of force him to get out. This has a lot more bite to it now because the file can open, right? So you can't fault him for developing his rook, except for the fact that he's a super grandmaster and he knows when to break the rules. We don't. You play rook e8. Stockfish, you play d4 and rip the king open. Tiny Turtle. No. This is Hans and Oparin. You see the names? They're over here. You might not be able to read them. Can't see them on the vertical, but they're there. Okay, rook. Not best. Castles. Okay, castles into a pretty weak king side, but a weakness is only a weakness if you can exploit it. And these triple stack, they're weaknesses in themselves, but they control a lot of squares. You know what I'm saying? Right? It's going to be hard to rip this file open. It might not be. You're going to have to start getting, trading off his double pawns. I don't know. I don't know if there's any great attack here. Is it a blunder or a mistake? What does question mark mean? A question mark to me means dubious, and double question mark is a blunder. What was he supposed to play? D4 again. Wow. Opening up the rook to your king. Interesting. Only good move. How does it go? D4, CD4. ED4, ED4. Now he has a pretty... this is a rather desirable cluster. Now white is the only person with the center pawn. White is controlling these squares with pawns, and he's occupying one. Black is occupying no central squares and controlling none with pawns. I like this for white, man. But knight E4. Okay, just looking around. D5. Queen F6 threatening. Check. Queen B1 is forced. Queen takes A3. Check is probably winning, even if you take this. Because we're going to take with check. We can get this. And then the king is really open. We get rid of this and this. His king's in trouble, man. I guess. Unless there's some there could be some tactics. Oh my god, is that what happened? They literally... And this is the game? No. No, this is not the game. This is the game. Look at this move. I told you guys not to waste your time in this move. Still don't unless you see a big reason why it's better than developing a piece. Because he's not developed, man. This is by far the best move. It's worth the pawn more than any other move. There's your back. Takes. Knight takes. Uh-oh. What is this? Well, yeah. Oh, the queen comes with that threat. But when he takes, he's going to be attacking two more pieces. But we're going to take with check. But so that tells me the queens might come off. Maybe this knight can leave with this. Is he losing? Yeah, I think he's losing. Queen, he plays bishop back. And that's not near as good as what? Take the piece. Check. Oh, he can go king d2. Queen A3, DE6. EF3. The king, look at the king. I don't know if we have enough wood, though, man. He kind of has no... He kind of can't... Now can't leave. Right? Happy Monday, Kenneth. How you doing, man? Bobby had the same opening yesterday with Queen C2 and the BC3 move. Yeah, you know what? A lot of... Oh, hello, friend. Stevie, how you doing? A lot of times you will see the same lines because they're what they call topical. And they have variations that they're taking very, very deep, and they're coming up with new moves and new ideas. You do a bunch of work and you realize everyone's playing this variation down to move 17, but you found the weird idea around move 15 or 16. So you can get them into that line, and they think they're going to be okay, and then you uncork your novelty. Okay. Yeah. So that it happens a lot. So this is it. Oh no! This is okay. This is a variation. Queen takes E4. Queen check. King E1. Why not simply Queen C2? I'll tell you why. White is still winning. Oh, he has 94. Look at this. He's busted. King E1 hiding behind my pawn. Go away, pawn. White's just winning. White's just winning. So this was not the best move. The knight comes hitting the queen. Wow. Takes. Knight. Almost always I'm just going to tell you guys what could happen here. If you take, he takes with the pawn. He has that undesirable pawn cluster. I mean, undesirable for us. Looks pretty good. That's a nice little cluster and a passer. And you know what? It could become a protected passer. Not good. A lot of times when grandmasters attack the knight, amateurs like me, we take it because we don't want them to trade. But you can move it. The check could be a move, but another thing to do is go here. They'll dance with it. Here, I don't like it because it might be okay. It's the second best move. Rook E C8. Oh, to take with the rook and then get this pawn. White is still better. What does he do? Hans did play knight E5. Okay. He's attacking the pawns. He's attacking pawns. Do we play F5 and let him double? Nope. We simply take. Knight takes, and what? Attacks another pawn. Whoa. Hans! There's a shot, folks. Picking this back up. Wow. Isn't it funny? Didn't we say back here white had more pawn islands in the worst pawn structure? And then as we get here, now black has more pawn islands and the worst pawn structure. But is the pawn position considered structure? I guess it is, right? Because this is a passer. Do you count passers as pawn structure? To me, the structure is like the shape. But this shape is good. There's an idea that's good because of the structure. White is still better. But Hans was really not okay. But one thing that's happening here is a lot of stuff's coming off the board. Where does the rook come? It's come here. How do you yeah, rook E5. Counterattack. Let him take this. Take this. This is our passer, but this messes up that pawn structure. And this is Hans' position right now. Yes, kinda. Yes, kinda. Yeah, but kinda. Right? The reason you said kinda is because it's more like this passed pawn is more an element of the position than the actual pawn structure, although it is part of the pawn structure. Normally, it has like its own definition. It's an element of the pawn structure, I guess. Like, for instance, elements of pawn structure: pawn islands, backward pawns, holes, double pawns, pass pawns, isolated pawns, hanging pawns. Yeah. So you said yes, but kind of. Yeah. The kind of, it just puts in that little thing, the reason why I asked the question. Fabi had the same opening yesterday with Queen C2 in the BC3 move. Yeah, so that must be the new, it might be all the new rage, man. It might be. If we go back to that, chess.com, very responsive today. Okay, in this position. Like I said, 9,681 people played queen takes, and 25 people played b takes, played pawn takes. And after pawn takes, there's almost no games. And we want to look at pawn takes. Oh, wait. There's 25 games. A 2250... a 2400, a 2100, 2600, but I don't know if that's if these are chess.com or not. I'm looking for players of white, a 2400. I'm not seeing any games in this database. I almost want to go to the Lichess database and look. But the point is, we need to go to Lichess anyway, because we have to we got to warm up for our big money match, guys. We got a big money match on the hour at 4 o'clock. I need to set the board up properly. Do I have a play Lichess? Yeah, I do have a play Lichess here. I don't. So we'll just mess up watchchess.com. Well, let's see what the board looks like. Let's play a 3-minute game on Lichess, and then I'll try and fix the board for my lovely... Oh, you guys can see it. You guys can see it. It looks a little bit dumb, but you could totally see it on vertical. Here it's messed up. Could be bigger. I think we're gonna do it, because wait for it. Just bring this down like this. Make the board huge for you guys. There we go. This is all for... Oh, wait. What do I do with my face? This guy's like, it's a 3-minute game, dude. Move. It's like, yeah, I'm streaming, okay? Dude, I'm messing up my scene right now. I think I'm not supposed to do this. No, because I'm going to play chess later. We'll be fine. I'll be fine. Where's my... Is it 360? There we go. I just have to make my face smaller so you guys see the clock. There we go. All right, we're set up. Okay, now I'm going to beat this guy. I gave him all the free time in the world. I'm going to come back, folks. We're going to come back from the dead. Plays D4. This guy's growing way too many brains, folks. We got a brain grower over here. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah, solidifying the knight. Yeah, no, you guys, knight C3 right there every time. What is this? What's this guy rating? 1500? And he moves it. Oh my God, I love this guy. What's he doing? Is he trying to like win on time or something? Because I gave him like all that time. What's he do? What's he trying to do? What'd he do? Oh my God, this guy with the moves. Do we play this? I'll do this. I probably should. Yeah, I probably should have just played. Oh, we don't want E5, so we'll play here. You're not supposed to be here, so you can play E5, dude. Okay, Look where he put his king, guys. Look where he put his king. I'm telling you, watch. Do this. Do it there, buddy. Oh my God. Now I can say your move is wasted. I improve my knight. Now his best move. I know this position, guys. I've seen it. I just know Stockfish plays Bishop G1 for sure. It does not give this up. There you go. Good move. Now you can kick, but you're weakening your king. He's attacking my knight. Playing this move probably wasn't best, but I knew he had to move his bishop again. Now he gets F5 in. Okay, is it this move? I just want to look at his queen. I just want to say hello. I just want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it, but I'm going to talk. Yeah, this is a 3-0 game. Yeah, I did that so I could set my, We have this. No, we don't have it yet. Probably come here, open up the bishop, attack the bishop. The thing is, he'll just move the bishop. But you know what? It'll lock his rook out. But then I got to come back, and he can just come back. Oh. It's a 3-minute game, guys. I'm going to lose on time. He takes with check. I get this. This is not a move for him. He could come back. What'd he do? He attacks my bishop. Wow. We definitely take this. He could counterattack. Okay. Red mate. Then we're going to take this. Oh, he has knight. Oh, but he can't. Oh, no. Oh, he has knight. Darn it. It's okay. We still have play. We have play. Everyone calm down. We have play. I have to move the bishop, guys. This sucks. Pawn takes. He has knight takes now because the queen covers the mate. Which huge mistake. Huge mistake. He didn't do it. Huge mistakes. This guy, guys, I just got to play fast and I win. This guy's not doing well. He's not okay. Knight. This is a great square for his knight. Seventh rank. Take it first. Take it. There's no. Oh well. I might have dropped this. Oh my god. I thought I could take the 7th rank, guys. Just improving. I don't know what to do. I should have done this maybe. What do you do? Comes there. Oh, I choked. I just let him beat me on time. I just stopped moving. Do you see it? Dude, Stevie 29 star, how's it going in your life, brother? Okay, now we got to get all that out of our head. We have a board up that you guys can see. And I am going to go to, actually, I'm going to do one more thing over here for the big blitz match, guys. Because all the people we know and love in Vertical, they deserve... Oh my god, you guys didn't even have the whole board. You guys aren't going to have a clock, but it's 1 minute. It doesn't matter. It's always, guys, it's Vertical, right? The only way to have a clock in Vertical for the 1 minute match is if you can't see the board. I'll try and give a play-by-play. We're going to do some warm-up 1 minute games, which I've never done this before. I always take them cold, guys. Dude, I'm like playing moves I'd never played before. He's thinking. I just moved, guys. I just moved. C5's good. He doesn't want it. Just castle. What do you do? Dropping a pawn? Dropping a piece? Yeah, Oh! I should have took the knight, I guess. I dropped it. It's okay. Just watch the clock. I'm up on time. Got him on time. That was a horrible game. I like stopped. I didn't even play any opening. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I got lucky. New opponent. This could actually make me soft. I gotta really buckle up for this. He didn't want it. Take because it's faster. Oh, trade down when you're down a pawn. That's a good move. Open up the hopper. That's definitely a maneuver. Here. Maybe this was better. It was. He could push. Maybe take a pawn with... No, maybe get this one. There we go. We're safe now. We're safe now. Take this pawn too. I almost pinned, but... Okay, just bring the king. Should have brought it over the other way. I'm just like, what am I doing? This is horrible. Oh, maybe not. That wasn't good. I still got a pair, guys. I got a huge pair. Okay, not anymore. I can't take the pawn, guys. He'll trap it. God! I played this for a reason, so I get it out. Oh my God, a good check! I beat him on time! It's not going to happen on chess.com. Are you watching the U.S. Chess Championships? We were just looking at Hans's game, and we're going to get back to it. But I have a challenge at 4 p.m. in 18 chess.com minutes. where I will play 5 games from the chess.com pool, meaning random people from my own rating, and I will get $10 for every win and a bonus $10 if I checkmate on the board. And I get these challenges all the time. You've probably been here and seen it. Dude. Look at the clock. You got to get analysis board to see the clock. Watch the clock, guys. Where's the clock? Where's the clock? Oh, I see it now. Yeah, it's here. It's here. Guys, he has 4 seconds to my 1 second. 4 seconds to my 1 second. And I knew I blew it. And I have to take his pieces so I don't lose on time. So I played the check just to pick up some time. Then I go for the pawns. I have 0.8 seconds. And he has 3 seconds, guys. 3 seconds. And I'm not checkmating him. If I try and checkmate him with the queen and the bishop, I'm not doing that in 0.8 seconds. Right? So I gotta take these. Thank God it came with check. Take this one. Now I can't lose. He has 3 seconds and I have 0.6. Did I lose on time? He has 2 seconds. I have 0 time. He has 0.9. I have 0. It says 0.00, guys. He says he has 0.3. 0.2. I lost? I won. The clocks on the replay are wrong. It says he has 0.2 seconds. And it says I have 0.0, and I've had it for a long time. Is that weird? I've never seen this before. Yeah, I don't get it. And why? Let's request computer analyses and see if, no, the board's not going to change. I don't need to look at the game. The game is a joke. The game was horrible, horrible game. I just don't understand the clock. And I don't understand when you review the game, it makes the clock so tiny on you guys can see it on vertical, but if you're watching on your phone, you can't. But it's this tiny, teeny little thing right here, right by the black king, bottom right corner and top right corner shows the clock. But when you go over the game on Lichess, you can't see the clock like in normal. I don't understand that. Well, okay, wait to play again. I just learned something weird, I think. I think I've noticed that before. Oh, I almost hit 3+2. Good. Oh, is this bad? Because I'm a nis. He can play knight here. Nope. Okay. Take a pawn with check. Pin the knight. We're doing fine. Pin the knight. Attack the knight. Pin the knight. Rook's coming. White is better. White is better. Unpin like this. I'll come back here. Does this lose? Now this is pinned though. He let me off the hook. Kind of wanted the file. That's a great move. Improving the king, solving a problem, all at the same time. Push it. He resigned. He resigned. I'm like, what just happened? That guy got crushed. That was weird. That was weird, man. I don't understand the poor production quality of... Right now, you can see the clock's really big. But if I just backspace, the clocks don't update. You have to go to analysis board. But when you go to analysis board, the clocks turn into these teeny tiny little things. Huh. Okay. And it was completely inaccurate. It was completely inaccurate. I was at 0 for a long time. I literally, when I replayed the game, I'm like, did I lose that game? I thought I won. No, it said I won. It said I won. Okay, play. 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go. We got to get warmed up, guys. I got the opening together. D5? Oh, F5, okay. This is weird. Okay. And unprotected. This maybe for this? Okay. Here, I guess. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Okay. There's no mate. I get a piece. And I hit a rook. Okay, then we just come back. And now we're trading. That was a horrible move. Take it, dude. Oh, he wanted so bad. You gotta move. Knight? I just saved the bishop. Knight can't move. He moved just to move. He's moving just to move. It doesn't do anything. You still can't do anything. That's an awesome move right there. Oh, well, I thought it was. It felt good. You should win a piece. Guys, I had no time. I really blew it. Hit the pawns. Beat him on time. 0.39. Oh, man. You know what, though? I'm getting warmed up. My tactics are still really bad. My tactics are still really bad, guys. They're really bad. I need to figure out a way. Actually, the vertical scene looks really good. How do you... I think I know how to do it. I need to make a play Lichess thing. I do this so rarely, I almost don't even care. New opponent. I'm gonna play one more, and then take a little break before the big match. We get one Laughing Gambit finally. Oh no, he has queen check. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna waste a whole second. Oh, he blew it. Now black is better. Play it. Play it. I'll play it. Here. Take this. Take this. Take this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I go too deep? I blew it. Defend it. I was winning. I'm still winning. Oh, God. I think I got a blockade, guys. Wow. I can push. God, I wasted all my advantage. No, I'm still way up on time. I need to slow down. Will the pawns be okay? I think... Beat him on time. Guys, I'm playing horrible. I mean... I'm winning games. Yeah, I need a break. We're going to do the big challenge over here. Oh, we got to come back to chess.com. That'll do everything. Let's go to play. Okay, I messed up this one. That's okay. No, play online. Dude, that was fun warming up. I've never done the warm-up before. Am I chess.com? Dude. I think I gained some rating right there. You guys, does anyone agree that I probably gained rating points right there? I think I did. There we go. Clocks for everybody. Folks. Do we go to a coffee cam and make a cup of coffee for the big event? I think it'd be fun. Yeah, let's make coffee. I already unveiled the coffee cam, folks. If you're new to the stream, this is the coffee cam. We're going to be playing 1 minute chess. Wait. Before we go. Breaking news. We are going to be playing a challenge from FIDE Master David Bassett. 5 games of 1 minute chess on chess.com. I'm going to set this for 1 minute right now so we don't accidentally start a 15-minute. And every game I win, I get $5. And if I checkmate on the board, it has to be checkmate. Like the guy's checkmated, I get a bonus. Possible $100. That's crazy. Possible $100. See how much of that money we can get. David, thank you so much for doing this. We're making coffee. Coffee cam. You guys see the shirt? I'm thinking with the chess. You see the chess pieces? See the? Yeah, Courtney got me that. She got me a few chess themed shirts, and I think that was very sweet. Very sweet. She's very thoughtful. Do the thug shake, Stevie22. I wish I knew what that was. Steve 22 Harris. Is this Steve Harris, a bass player from Iron Maiden? What's his name? Bass player from Iron Maiden. Steve Harris! Dude, literally the bass player from Iron Maiden is watching my stream right now on the vertical feed. And I'll tell you this. That dude, isn't he, is it him? Is it him or is it the singer? that is the pilot. I think the singer is the pilot. What's the singer's name from Iron Maiden, guys? I know it. Either way, I think that guy's a pilot. Yeah, Steve Harris is the bass player. Yeah, the pilot. I think he flies like, I think he can fly like big airplanes, not like single engines, Cessnas. Yeah, I love this shirt, man. I love this shirt. Somi Deep says Brian Johnson is AC/DC. Brian Johnson is AC/DC. But it might be Brian something. Let's grab that coffee, folks. It's ready. We got 2 minutes till the challenge. Is that not blurry? Oh, that's way better. Charlie Sardo official merchandise. It's a Move gaming mug. Dude, I'm not sure how to feel right now. Okay, now that I know I'm warmed up, I need to not think about being warmed up. That's just in our pocket. We got that. That's part of our physiology, our brain. That's already here, okay? It's already in the tool belt. What I need to think about here is I need to get into a dominating, crushing mentality. Play good moves fast. And if you can't play good moves, play okay moves fast. And I can win 5 in a row. I think I can win 5 in a row, guys. So we got 1 minute. Daniel Abbey got here just in time for the challenge. Playing 5 games from the pool. $10 for a win plus $10 for a checkmate on the board. Uh-oh. What does that mean, guys? 4 o'clock. As promised, we are going to start the 5-minute challenge. This is the 5-minute challenge, the 1-minute challenge, 5-minute challenge, 5-game challenge of 1 minute. I play 5 games from the pool of 1-minute chess on chess.com. They are people my own rating, so I'm supposed to technically finish with 2.5, right? Which would be 25. Well, that'd be $20 because I get $5. I get $10 for a win and a bonus $10 for a checkmate. Thank you, David, for the challenge. And I am going to go right now. Oh, man. Okay, wait. Turn the heat up, guys. I shut the AC off. Focusing. I knew he was going to be looking at the pawn. He's like the last guy. You play rook up, I guess. I thought I had this. I thought I had that. I gave up some wood, guys. He's still getting mated. I gave this up. I had mate. $20 game. I had mate. I was up 5 seconds on the clock. And I mated him. Wow. Okay, next game. $20 game, folks. That was $20. Kind of blew it there. Probably should have blocked first. Shouldn't let the queen in. Get it. Winning this. Attack my bishop. I'll just play rook takes. And I have bishop takes here as well. They move backwards, folks. They move backwards. I had him. He had 16 seconds. I had 29, and I crushed him. But I couldn't get the mate because he resigned. Okay, we'll tally up later. Come on, focus up now. No losses. We're just gonna. We gotta keep it up. Wow, thank you. That was not a good move for him, guys. This is... I don't like the structure. I don't like this. Repositioning. Just take it! He can up into the queen. Oh, takes hits my queen now. This is bad. Here. Winning a piece. Not good. He's gonna see it. Okay, we gotta get it out, guys. I got something for it. He can play queen back. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. I'm gonna resign. Man, there was something there, guys. Okay, that's 3 games. Let's go. Push. Huh. Threat, defend. Maybe here. Bring a piece. It's always bring the piece. I'm bringing the piece for defense, guys. Get rid of him. Or, wow. What a move. Thought I had a piece coming, guys. I didn't see it. I thought I was winning material. Here. Pair is gone, guys. The O pair is gone. Oh! I was down 4 seconds. It's not good for the challenge. I didn't do that on purpose. Did the king come from here or something? I feel like I did a couple of moves here, and then he didn't repeat. He went back. I obviously did. Computers don't lie. Okay, guys, I think this is the last one. We win the first two with a good start. Okay, let's go. It feels like there's something here, but there's not. I don't think. Come on! I'm just helping him gang up on my pawn, guys. He should double. He should have tried to take the time. Do I... Get rid of this knight. It's too much. I can do this now and head for F5. My bishop sucks. It's time to trade, I think. Okay, we're not... I wanted... Oh, God. I dropped the ball. Probably shouldn't be going up here. Improve the bishop. Knight takes. Got him on time. With 2 seconds. Wow. GM on the thread. I always get starstruck. GM. There's a GM on the thread? What GM is here? Which Grandmaster? There's no Grandmaster here. Whoa. How you doing, Bill Stevens? We just did the challenge. Video Master David Bassett challenged me 5 games from the pool, $10 for a win, $10 for a checkmate. And the very first game, I got a checkmate, guaranteeing me a profit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 5 games. This is the one with the mate on the board, which I actually blew. I had 25 seconds, guys. And I had checkmate right now. And I didn't play it, right? No, I didn't. I had checkmate. I had 2 mates. I had 2 different mates. Checkmate. I had 3. No, I didn't have this checkmate because of bishop. So I had 2 different mates. Okay, and then we'll look here. Yeah, so I got 3 wins, 1 mate on the board. This one was definitely not a mate on the board. The guy resigned. I could have made it on the board if he would have just calmed down. Play F3. No, play F4 and King G1 and give me the mate for $10, buddy. Jordan, are you watching the stream? Canadian? I thought people from Canada were nice. This guy didn't help me out. Siri messed it up. Tried to type FM. Ah, nice. Hey, he's a grandmaster to us. Okay? He's a grandmaster to us. So, that was fun, man. You know what I did this time, Bill Stevens, for the first time? I warmed up a lot. I didn't just play like 2 warm-up games. I went to Elite Chess and played, I don't know how many, five or 6 warm-up games. I warmed up on Elite Chess. But in my mind, he's a gym anyway, so maybe it's a Freudian slip. That's exactly right. Yeah. Brain freeze. Okay, let us go back to watch. David, I can't thank you enough again, man. Can we get some What Would David Do in chat? Jay Williams. Jay, how you doing? Jay Williams gave it. Let's get some What Would David Do in chat from the supporters. If you're a supporter, 3 wins, 1 checkmate. That's what I got. Yeah, that's what I got. 3 wins, 1 checkmate. 2 wins. Actually, I didn't even finish 3 and 2, guys. I finished 3.5, 1.5. Yeah, because one of the games was a draw. But I was down on time. And I probably did I have a way to progress there, guys? Did I have a way to? What's the plan here? Stuckafish, what do you got? I probably need to. It's like, okay, let's see. Bishop E3 hits my pawn. E5. I kind of thought locking these pawns on the light squares is good. King D3. Bishop F6. It's -5. It's -5. Oh, I just heard a cha-ching, folks. Let's just see what happened. Oh, man. David Bassett paid you $40. Great job. Support the stream. David, thank you, dude. You're a beast, man. You're a beast. But, okay, so I could have kept improving maybe by putting my pawns on light squares. Right? C5. I have a problem if I think if I do this, I'll never get in. Oh. Oh, this is the idea. Bishop F2 takes. If he takes here, this is crushing. That's what it says, though. It said to take there. What if he does the human move? Then we play king. Yep, king e6. We're coming here, guys. He can't stop us. He can't keep us out. But he might be able to keep... Oh, no, because then we'll do this and we'll win this pawn. Giving us more squares to work with. King e3, of course. No, bishop f6, really? What's wrong with this? It's like, just take it. Your king can defend this. He can't attack it. Bishop to the g1 square, and what? And then we come here. Bishop b2 when you get this one. You could see how it's winning, right? Hey, we got the What Would David Do hype in chat on Facebook, dude. That's awesome, man. Oh. Bruce Dickinson. Thank you. So Me Deep. Bruce Dickinson. What a great singer, too. All those metal bands were so awesome. They all had their freaking rock star singers like Rob Halford from Judas Priest or Klaus Meine from Scorpions, right? Those guys were all really good singers, man. We go to watch. We go to the Speed Chess Championship's going on right now, but it's like, I don't know, guys. I don't live in the country of speed. I live in the country of the U.S. In the U.S., I went to the Speed Chess Championships and I just said, I was just talking smack. It's down here. Here we go. Hans drew, and no other game is done yet. Let's see if... Ooh, Wesley is beating Robson. And Mishra is pretty much... Is he winning? No, he's just better. Look at this, guys. We got to come here. Is this the one I messed up or no? Let's see. Yeah, I did. It's okay, though. I'm fixing it. I'm putting it back, guys. The challenge is over. I will make... Because, yeah. Nirmal Kumar is now following. I will make a, what do you call it? A scene to play on Elite Chess. Oh, yeah, that fits right there. It's perfect. So Mishra is playing white, and Sam Sevian is playing black. If you don't know who Sam Sevian is, he's the guy who Hans Niemann broke the cross right off the top of his king. Mads, how have you been, Mads? How are you doing? How are you doing? I haven't seen you in a minute, Mads. It is very good to see you, my friend. I hope all is well in your life. Tell me about your life. Tell me about how good it is. If you are new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. Oh my God, you guys have no idea how hyped I am to play Elden Ring tonight. I am not trying to hype the Elden Ring stream. Come, don't come. I am doing, after 2,600 hours in Elden Ring, I'm doing a Rune Level 1 challenge. But it's my first Souls game, too. And that means I'm going to finish the game without taking a single level. I'm not going to level at all. I can grab stuff on the way. I can get weapons, upgrade my weapons. But I'm level 1. And I beat Margit, the first boss that most people quit on that boss and they never finish the game. Most people, they just like, yeah, this game's too hard. And they do it, they level up a little bit and they still can't do it, right? But it's hard. But I'm not that good at the game. My point is, I beat Margit, Rune Level 1. Beat next boss, Godric, Rune Level 1. Then we beat Renala, Orange Dog on the way, and Renala. Now I am going through the Rune Strewn Precipice, and I am on the big Megama Worm. And where do I have him? I think I got him down to 20% or something last stream. And guys, it's going to get a lot harder. But you know what I got in me? I get that Souls mentality. I'm going to stick to it. I'm just going to learn the bosses and I'm going to do it. Doing good, lots of work, unfortunately. Also some music gigs. Nice. How are you? Yeah, trying to check in and leave it like when I can. Man, it's good. You playing music, man. What kind of gigs? What are you doing? You playing clubs? You playing private parties? Restaurants? Wineries? I used to do them all. I played a wedding in Luckenbach, Texas last night. It was really cool. Beautiful wedding. Nice people. People were very, very cool. Everyone in the band was cool. It was just, they were friends. One thing about weddings is awesome because at a wedding, what matters? Well, the wedding. It's all that matters. It's all that matters. They hired us to play, and we expected to play from 7 to 8, and then again from 9 to 10. 2 hours of music. They were running late, and the schedule got misunderstood, so we didn't start till 8. Then they said, okay, 8:15. So we're just hanging out in Luckenbach, man. And I got to hang out with friends that I don't hang out with every day. So I just got to sit on a little park bench in the shade with my buddy Dean and just talk about old times, talk about stuff. How's your daughter? You know what I'm saying? Just spend time with my friend. And then we were doing like our first hour, and then they're like, okay, we need to take a break and cut the cake. It's like, all right. I don't even think we played an hour. I don't go to weddings. Here's the thing about weddings. As a musician, some people get mad. They're like, hey man, I didn't even get to play, man. They hired us we're supposed to play for 2 hours. We only played for an hour and 10 minutes. Oh, this scared. It's like, no. It's not about you. It's about wedding day. It's all about them. Whatever they want. You see that bride, you smile at her. It's happy. It's their happy day. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want it, then don't do it. There's 3 reasons to play gigs, guys. Money, friendship, and the art, the actual music. And when you get any 2 of those in one gig, they say you're doing pretty good. And it's funny because if you're a working musician and you think about that, and you say money and friendship, I've done that, but maybe the music wasn't what you're into. Just the music and friends. That's good enough reasons for me to go play. If the music's good and I get to see my friends, I'll go do that for no money. Just the money and friends, but maybe the music sucks. Just the money and the music, but maybe the people, you don't like the people. But you're getting paid good, and they're really good musicians. You can really, really expand your horizons, and you can really play good, and you're playing with good players, which makes you a better player. That's a win, even if you don't like the people. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, yesterday, the music was okay. It was all about the fun of playing the music with my friends. And it's a wedding. It's a very, very nice wedding. And so there was a little bit of money there too. The most expensive cake you can buy, wedding cake. Oh, the venue there is awesome, man. Mad says, oh, nice. We do party music. 6 members in the band, weddings, birthdays. Now we have some Christmas gigs for company. It's a big thing in Denmark. What, Christmas parties? Yeah. I don't know if it's a big thing. I guess it's a big thing in America too, if that's what you're talking about. Christmas parties, companies do Christmas parties. They do. Yeah. Biggest tip in the world, don't drink at the Christmas party if you like your job. It was pretty, man. It was pretty. And that's just the Luckenbach Dance Hall. It's rustic. That's the whole vibe out there is rustic, right? They probably, when they want to build a new building, they like have to go find an old barn on some guy's property and say, hey, can we tear that down and take the wood? We'll give you some money for it. They need old wood. It's like Knott's Berry Farm. I don't think you're distressing wood to look like that, guys. This is old. David said, my wife's cousin is a mariachi singer, and yesterday she performed at Will Ferrell's house. Really? That is cool. I'll tell you the funniest story that I heard yesterday, and I'm not going to say names, but I played with both these guys yesterday. As a matter of fact, if you see my reel on Facebook and Instagram, the Luckenbach, Texas reel, it's my newest short on Facebook. So if you're watching on any of their platforms, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. Just go to my page. You'll see at the top of the feed. You'll see the short. As I come on the stage, there's 2 guys on the stage. Okay, they're both a little bit older than me. They've been playing music together for like 30 years, I think. And they were doing a gig. It was in like Reno, Tahoe, somewhere there. But it was for the governor was there. I think it was for the governor of the state. Okay? Listen to this, David. This is hilarious. It's for the governor of the state. And the people were line dancing. They like put Achy Breaky Heart on probably or something, right? Or maybe something from Saturday Night Fever. People were line dancing and they were trying to get the governor to line dance. The governor goes over to my friends, the same guys that are in the reel. He grabs one by the arm and the other one by the arm, and he said, "Friends don't let friends line dance." I'm like, man, if you're the governor, if I'm the governor, you guys know me, I like to have fun, right? I have a freaking man bun on right now. If I'm the governor, I would allow video of me dancing, even though I'm not a good dancer. Like if I was slow dancing, because to me, that's nothing. I would never want there to be video of me line dancing. It probably comes from insecurity. What is line dancing? It's fun. It's dancing. You get exercise. You get social. It's music. Line dancing is awesome. Yeah, that's just me. Now, I'm not complaining. I want people to line dance. I'm a musician. I want them to come to my gig. I want them to line dance. I want 10,000 people to line dance. When I play Achy Breaky Heart, that's what I want. Just for me, I don't want to line dance. So they, but this gets better though. So he says, friends don't let friends line dance. And they've been using that line for 30 years, right? 2 of the guys in the band, because they had a break, they had like an hour break. They ran back to one of theirs apartment or something for a little break, a little in between set break, which could mean anything back in the 70s or 80s. You know what I'm saying? And they came back 15 minutes late for the gig like at the governor's mansion. That's a big gig, guys. They came back late. And the steel guitar player, the lead singer who runs the show and booked the band and everything, she's the one that got him the gig. And the drummer, they had to start without the fiddle player and the bass player. Because they were late. They came back 15 minutes late. It was hilarious. I never heard this story. They just told it to me yesterday, and they were arguing about it. We weren't that late. He says, Dean says, we had to play. He said we had to start. He said you played one song. He said we started 10 minutes late, and then we played one song. You were 15 minutes late. It was just so funny watching them go back and forth. And on a gig of that magnitude. Yeah. Yeah, and Office Christmas Party quote, you absolutely love to hear it, folks. Funny, yeah. Will Ferrell. Oh, Will Ferrell's hilarious, man. That's pretty cool. So what's going on here? Oh, yeah, so Sam Sevian, here's the thing. Sam Sevian has 2 pawns for the exchange. Bishop and pawn are worth a little bit less than a rook. Bishop and 2 pawns are worth a little bit more than a rook. All things being equal, folks. But you got to look at the position then. This pawn is very far advanced. Can we advance it more? I don't exactly know. Can we attack on the light squares? Not sure if we can get the bishop out. Does black want to trade queens? Well, the king... Here's the problem. The king can't come. And he can't push because he'll just lose another pawn. He's threatening a sack. Maybe queen here. You don't want to come here because that allows queen checks. Here, back, and... Oh, now it's just saying white is just ever slightly better. White is ever slightly better. Black seems to be okay. I thought it said he had a bigger advantage. Oh, yeah. Yeah, much bigger advantage over here. Oh, my God, he's winning over here. He just go queen e5 or f3. F3, weird, bro. Weird. Okay, he doesn't have a check, but still. This will probably peter out into a draw. 94% accuracy. Oh, you guys can't see it. I did it again. Guys, I did it again. I don't want to hear about it, guys. I fixed it. Did I fix it? Say I didn't fix it. I freaking fixed it. So either way, I looked at chat like, now I'm going to see the comments you guys said 2 minutes ago. Oh, no. It's okay. We're back. We're back, guys. Did we finish our coffee? Maybe that's a problem. I have 1 cup of coffee. Let's see if there's any other good things happening in any of these games. They've all equalized out, but Robson is going down. Everything looks like it's going to draw out, except for Wesley's going to take a win. So, unless Wesley blunders, as of today, Wesley So will be leading the U.S. Chess Championship. That's pretty cool. I know Wesley. I don't think I met Ray Robson. I'm going to tell you why. Wasn't really hip to Ray Robson. I didn't know much about Ray Robson. And if you were to say name, the top 10 U.S. Grandmasters, I would have said Hikaru, Hans, Levon, Fabi. I didn't even think I knew who Robson was when I went to St. Louis, and I saw him, and I'm like, oh, he's obviously one of the top players in the country. Now I know he is, and he's like the puzzle champ or something, right? He's really good at puzzles. So next time I go, I'm going to definitely bother him, walk up and shake his hand. No wackiness, dude. I had you practicing your blindfold chess, Tiny Turtle. I did. It'd be funny if I stayed on the scene. Like, guys, watch this. I'll do this one time. Okay, you guys will be in on the joke. So next time I do this, you guys will know. Okay? But everyone else watching won't know. Where is Wacky? Right here. But I don't think Vertical can see it. If I go like this and just be like, okay, in this position, bishop takes bishop isn't any good because I gotta set that one up on I gotta set that one up for the Vertical people because that's hilarious. That's freaking hilarious. So Wesley as black is crushing Y. Why? Rook B1 check. I mean, I'm not saying this feels okay. Oh, and then bishop takes. Nope. Rook C1 pinning, winning the bishop. Wow. Wow. This is sad. Yeah, he's losing, man. He's losing the bishop. He could push. But this black bishop will control the queening. There's nothing here. Plus, this is a problem. Once you lose this, it's got worse, guys. Check, and mate or something. Right? Check. King comes here. Check. King comes back. No, where's the mate? Rook check here. Oh, we could do a double check. Oh, no, but he can get away. Get away. So I think we take here. Oh, no, because then checks come. So yeah, it's just crushing. Yeah, Rook C1, David saw it. Yep. I didn't see it. So this is going to be the big, the only blood for the day. And if we go to watch, if we go back and we look at results. Oh, we can look at the pairings for tomorrow. No, that's round 1. Round 3, here we go. Wesley plays Sam Shanklin with white. Sam Shanklin is a very strong grandmaster, guys. I think he's a theoretician. He knows a lot of opening maneuvers. I think he is probably not the same rating as Wesley, but we'll take a look. A Wonder is playing Fabiano. 2 great guys. A Wonder lights up the whole room. I watched A Wonder, Liang, and Hans Niemann do karaoke, guys. They did karaoke. I watched them do it. It was freaking hilarious. Darius Swerts. I don't know this guy. Is he like the junior? He must be. Or maybe Mishra's the junior. Because I think the U.S. junior champion gets to play in the U.S. championship. And what a great way to build up that guy. What's the time control? An hour 55, 40 moves in, plus 30 minutes. I'm not sure. We'll look that up right now. Hans plays Ray Robson tomorrow with the white pieces. That we can win that. Andy Woodward. Maybe he's the top junior. I don't know who got in these. Yeah, because like Mishra probably might have got in by rating. A lot of them might have. Yeah. And then Sevian has white against Aronian. So, Sevian, good luck with that game. It's going to be hard to play Aronian. Let me go here and say results real quick. Oh, yeah, I was going to say Wesley is 27.56 and Sam is 26.54. That's what I thought. Yeah, Sam Shanklin is 90 feet, 8 points lower than Wesley, so he's a very strong grandmaster, and Sam Shanklin. 26.54 is strong. He's very strong, guys. I mean, any grandmaster is strong, but among grandmasters, 26.50 is still strong, right? 2700 is like super grandmaster, and Wesley's right in the middle of that soup. Yeah, Ray Robson's mid 2600s too. Let me look down at some of these ratings here. Mishra, where's the Mishra? Andy Woodward is in at 2590, so he's probably in with the U.S. Junior slot. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I think I remember that he won the U.S. Juniors too. Okay. Let me see. Mishra's at 2652. He probably got in by rating. Yeah, by rating. And the guy at 2590, Andy Woodward. Andy Woodward's dad is the guy. Guys, I'm famous. Breaking news. Breaking news. Do you guys recall a little trip I took to Arlington, Texas for... Can I guys see his pictures? I hate the way it like... What is it? Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. I just want to see my picture of... Here we go. Here we go. Let me see. Is there any incriminating evidence here? This picture right here. me and Danny Wrench. Andy Woodward's dad took this picture, therefore making me a Grandmaster by default. I'm a default Grandmaster, guys. So Andy Woodward's in. He has to be in that slot. Okay, schedule. Schedule's not what we're looking for. Home. Okay, format. That's what we're looking for. Okay, first off, first prize gets $55,000. That's cool. Fabi's gonna appreciate that. Second place will get $43,000. That is awesome. Wesley is totally going to appreciate that. Third place, $35,000. Hans can use 35 like anyone else could, right? Well done, GM Sardo. Caleb, what's up, man? So, yeah, that's, those are my predictions, guys. Those are my predictions. You heard it here first. Okay, format. Okay, this will answer your question, Mads. Oh, Pepe says, I don't know if underrated is the word, but Aronian is a dangerous man on the chessboard. Aronian was like top 3 in the world, I believe, and he dropped off from that a little bit, but he had a couple of insane results recently. Winning a big tournament and like either winning another one or almost winning it, like standing out as playing very, very strong, which, guys, he got married. Does he have a kid on the way? I think he might have a kid on the way. Dude, that girl, the pregnant girl that beat Carissa the other day, yesterday, was that Atuza? Is that Hikaru's wife, guys? Sounds like the I stayed at a Holiday Inn Express last night logic. No, it sounds like my logic. If I beat Disguised Teriyaki in the tournament, and Disguised Teriyaki beat Anna Cramling, then that means I'm better than Anna Cramling. I would clip that and make it, but I already posted that. It's one of my old clips, folks. It's one of my old clips, guys. Format. The 2025 U.S. Chess Championship is a 12-player round robin. What does it mean? It means you play 11 games, but it says there's 12 players. You're one of them. You can't play a game with yourself, okay? Because how do you declare a winner? It'd be a free point. A 12-player round robin means everybody plays everybody. You have one game against everyone in the tournament. That means you're going to play 11 games. You make up the 12th, okay? This is one of the most accurate ways to determine the best chess player out of a group of people. But there's a better way. Does anyone besides, you can answer, David, if you want to. Does anyone know what that is? In a Swiss tournament, it's like our tournament. You play first round. They take people, the list of people by ratings. They cut it in half. They move it like this. And the top guy in the top half, which would be like Disguised Teriyaki if he played, he plays the top guy from the bottom half. And they pair him like that. Okay? And they do exactly that same thing from there, but they pair you by how many points you have. So all the guys with 1 point, they take them, they split them. The top guy, they do that. And that's a Swiss system. It's kind of all over the place. No one ever said, yeah, that guy wins a bunch of Swisses, so he's the best chess player in the world. Doesn't mean, because Magnus, it'd be so hard for Magnus to win a Swisses as much as he wins these other kinds of tournaments if all the other top grandmasters played the Swisses too. Because other people can get easier pairings. It's too, but if you have to play the whole group, I've had these glasses for a long time, but I dropped my glasses. And I dropped them somewhere where you don't want to keep them anymore. Yeah, they're gone. I thought I had another pair of the brown circle ones here, guys, and I don't see them. And the blue one's broke. I have to order another pair. I just ordered. Oh yeah, I just ordered my my hot sauce. That's gonna be here Wednesday. I got to go and order a new set of because I love those glasses. Okay, so the only way better that I know of than a round robin where you have 12 players and you play one game against everybody. So everybody plays against the same exact field except for themselves, right? But you can't do that. Okay. 11 games for the tournament. There's a thing called a double round robin because there's still some luck involved in a round robin because what if you got to play Magnus and you're probably going to lose anyway? Chances of winning are very slim. Do you want the white pieces and maybe lose, and then you got to play black against someone else? Or maybe if you had black against Magnus, you're going to lose anyway. Almost everyone loses against Magnus, but that burned one of your blacks, but it burned Fabiano. It burned one of his whites. Now he has to play black, because they try and give you the same number of blacks and whites. So a double round robin means everybody in the pool, all 12 players, play each other twice, and that will be way more accurate in determining the best player or the best competitor player, because that's a long tournament, right? That would take an insane amount of time. It would take an insane amount of money and everything else, and they're just not going to do a double round robin. They're not going to. But back to the now that we've explained the round robin, and now you guys know what a double round robin is. And I think that applies to tennis and some other things too, right? Yeah. David says, with 100 players in a tournament, the number one player would play number 51 in first round. There you go. You guys understand that? Yep. And then the number two player would because like I said, they'd have a stack. I wish I had like a stack of cards. I wish I had a deck of cards because wait. I had a deck of cards, but you guys get it. So the 2020, okay, 12-player round robin. The time control is 90 minutes for the first 40 moves. 30 more minutes for the rest of the game. I don't like the way they word that. Plus a 30-second increment per move. Because there's a comma. Is this poorly worded? I might be wrong. Sometimes, guys. Is this poorly worded? Hey, Pepe. Is this poorly worded, guys? Tell me.
Pipey Jackson sent 200 stars.
Pipey it called you Pipey Jackson. Pepe, I call you Pepe. Pepe. Julia Moro. That's what I'm saying. Not just that, because it's comma. That's like saying we're gonna have chocolate cake, comma, soda pop, comma, and grilled asparagus, period. The time control is 90 minutes for the first 40 moves, comma, 30 minutes for the rest of the game. No! They add, then 30 minutes is added. And you don't have to completely say, then 30 minutes will be added to whatever remaining time is already on the players' clocks, which is what's going to happen. But because if someone who doesn't know what they're talking about reads this...
Jackson sent 200 stars.
Oh my God, Pepe, thank you for the 200 again. Pepe's dropping 200 bombs like forget about it. Pre-Woozly Gunner, I love you. Are you home yet? This reads to me like the time control is 90 minutes for the first 40 moves, comma. So someone reading this to say, okay, 90 minutes for the first 40 moves. Oh, and then they only have 30 minutes for the rest of the game because that's what it says. It says 30 minutes for the rest of the game. That was my first problem with it. In addition to the comma plus a 30-second increment per move. That is the dumbing down of America, guys. Whoever wrote this, I'm sorry, but okay, I didn't go to college. I didn't try an English class. I misspell words sometimes. I use some poor grammar.
Hypey Jackson sent 200 stars.
Thank you. I use poor grammar very often. Usually, I've just let poor grammar into my life. You know what I'm saying? I just do that. I just don't care. I'm not trying to be proper. I always say, like, math or words. Words don't matter unless you're calling in an airstrike. Words, you can use one word. Like, I'm getting old and grumpy, right? The term boomer is a baby boomer. That's someone who was born from the war. When the war ended, people come home and they make babies. And there was a boomer. My dad's a baby boomer. He's 80 years old. I'm 50. I'll be 58 on Saturday. I'm not even close to being a boomer, guys. My dad's it's like a full generation old, and they call like 30-year-old people boomers. It's fine. But what if the guy stole your car and you tell the cop it was a boomer? If the cop knows what boomer means, he's gonna look for 80-year-old man. And you're never gonna get your car back. Words matter. This isn't exactly words. This is just like, it's just poorly written, I think, but I'm not sure. I can ask ChatGPT. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. We're gonna ask Guys, we're gonna ask ChatGPT right now. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT.
Hypey Jackson sent 200 stars.
Pepe's dropping them like crazy. Is this poorly written? 30 min. I'm gonna say that. See, the thing is, ChatGPT might not know. It's actually mostly fine, but it could be made clearer and smoother. The meaning is correct. It just needs a little awkward. It reads a little awkwardly because of how the time control is phrased. Here's the original. The 2025 U.S. Chess Championship is a 12-player round robin. The time control is 90 minutes for the first 40 moves, 30 minutes for the rest of the game, plus a 30-second increment per move. Here are a few improved versions. The 2025 U.S. Chess Championship is a 12-player round robin. Each player has 90 minutes for the first 40 moves, followed by an additional 30 minutes for the remainder of the game, with a 30-second increment starting from move 1. To me, that's kind of David said from move 1 question mark. I never even dreamed it could be move 1. I read the original as, because now we're talking about the end of the game. Concise and readable. The 2025 U.S. Championship features 12 players competing in a round robin.
Jackson sent 200 stars. What does a guy gotta do to start a stars party loudly crying?
2. It takes 2. Pepe, thank you so much. Somebody send some stars. And if someone sends 20 stars, they have to be. It's 2 people close together, but 2 different people. Pepe. Yes. Okay. So that's enough. But yeah. So that's poorly written, and it's a dumbing down of America, and it could cost us. You got to educate people. You. Oh my God! When you see when you see stuff like in the news or in print, it's just weird. It's weird. It used to be you didn't print something until you proofread it. Sometimes twice. They're professional proofreaders. Matt says, I'm 33. We played 2,000 music at a festival and got called a boomer by the young ones. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Pepe, it's 2 unique star senders close together. So if if you want to be the guy that starts a stars party, someone has to do it. Mad sent 100. Mad sent 100. Activated the stars party. That's all it took. Pepe, thank you so much. If you would have asked me earlier, I would have told you earlier that it would cost you so many stars. Breaking news. Breaking news, Pepe Jackson gives 200 stars. Then Pepe Jackson gives 200 stars. Then Pepe Jackson gives...
Norgard Madsen sent 100 stars.
Pepe Jackson gives 200 stars. Then Pepe Jackson gives 200 stars. Then Pepe Jackson gets 200 stars and says, what does a guy have to do to make a stars party around here? Guys, if you complete the stars party, you might see pretty colors, but the important thing to know, guys, I am not wacky. All right? If you guys complete the stars party, I appreciate it very much. Then Mads sends 100 and makes it happen. Oh, Pepe just finished it.
Pepe Jackson sent 1,000 stars.
You didn't even...
G-O-O-O.
You didn't even let them party. You didn't even let them party.
Mads Norgard Madsen sent 45 stars.
Dude, look at that, man. Mads, thank you so much. Pepe, thank you so much. Pepe just wanted to get the party started so we could drop the 1,000 bomb. Pepe, thank you for the stars, dude. I really, really appreciate it. But, yeah, so that's poorly written and not clear. ChatGPT was confused. Dave and I both didn't like it. So, it says... Who writes this? I still don't know if it's 30 seconds for the whole game. And we already went over the prize funds. Winner's bonus 7,000. What does that mean? What's the winner's bonus? Prizes. What? First place gets 55,000. It says winner's bonus 7,000. That's not 7,000 for every win. Is that what that is? That would be crazy. Is it possible? I don't know, guys. I'm not sure, but they're playing now. Schedule. That's it. I saw an opening ceremony, but I didn't see tickets for sale for it. Location. And I don't see any tickets being sold for it. Do you guys see any tickets? I don't see tickets. Caruana Aronian strike. Oh, so they won yesterday. Okay, so Wesley is going to be winning. No, Wesley is at the top with 1.5, and Aronian has 1.5. Bobby has 1, but is that because he's still playing? Yeah, it's because he's still playing. What? What with the stars?
Mads Norgard Madsen sent 145 stars. Gonna go to bed. Rock on, everybody, cool.
Mads, thanks for the 45. Thanks for the 100 earlier. Thanks for starting Stars Party and helping Pepe get it done. And thanks for the 145, dude. You sleep well. Love having you around. Come by when you can, brother. It's good to see you, man. It's good to see you. Yeah, so he's still playing, and Fabi had white, and he is not... Looks like... Whoa. It doesn't look like he's going to be getting a win with white. Yeah, so Fabi burned his white, and Andy Woodward as black. Looks like he's making draw. This is very scary to me, but I guess with the checks, Pepe says the best chess community in the world. Now you can't leave for the 235.
Pepe Jackson sent 235 stars. Best chess community in the world. Now you can't leave loudly crying.
Ha! Now you just can't leave loudly crying. Guys, I am so pumped for my Elden Ring Rune Level 1 stream tonight. I am going to call this here. Thank you guys for all the stars. We're going to be covering this U.S. Chess Championship. I think there's games today and Wednesday. Thursday is a break day. And so we're going to get plenty of this, be checking out some of this, following it. And thank you so much to FIDE Master David Bassett for that challenge and supporting the stream, dude. The stream support is in absolute sanity. David Bassett paid you $40 on Venmo. Thank you so much for that. All these stars, Pepe with the 235, Mads 145, 45, and 200. Then Pepe with the 200, 1,000. What? Pepe, thank you, dude. Yeah, it was a good time, man. Thank you so much. Hit like on the way out. Hit sub if you're watching on YouTube. Hit follow if you're watching on Twitch, man. We got the best community in the freaking world. You definitely want to be part of it. Love you guys. Here. Thank you, Donacci. I love you, man.